Hey, it's Liz from Thrice, and it is Web3 Wednesdays. And this week I'm going to talk about a tool called Revoke Cash. And this tool allows you to manage the allowances or permissions that are attached to any of your tokens, whether they're fungible tokens like ETH or they are NFTs, non-fungible tokens. And this tool lets you check your tokens without connecting your wallet, which they are held in, simply by typing in the public key or an ENS address like lizwald.eth. To revoke permissions or change those permissions, you do need to actually connect your wallet. But if you just want to do a quick check at any time, this is a really easy tool to do it. And look, at the end of the day, we've all had issues with our NFTs. I've been scammed more than once. And if NFTs are taken out of your wallet, it's probably because these allowances were not set correctly. Or in fact, the person who you bought this NFT from purposely set them in a way that they could go back and take these out of your wallet. The good news is if you have a permission on a single token that is full allowances, it doesn't affect all the other tokens in your wallet, just that one token. But it is important to check these things once in a while. So I'm going to show you how this works by going to the actual site. So here at Revoke Cash, I have entered thrice.eth and said, let me see the NFTs that are in this wallet. And you can see that each of these NFTs say no allowances, no allowances. Now, if I wanted to actually connect a wallet, I can choose which of the different blockchains I might want to do. And so I've used Ethereum in this case, and I can connect the MetaMask wallet. And all I need to do is put in my password for the wallet, which I have done already. And when I hit next, it's going to say, connect to this site, Revoke Cash, and see the address and the account balance and activity. But it doesn't really let me do anything else. It can suggest transactions I might want to approve. Like, for example, if I wanted to move one of these NFTs, it would let me go ahead and do that. But it's not allowing anything else. So I'm going to go ahead and connect the wallet. And I can also go and say, well, show me what's going on with any currencies that I hold in here. So we hold Somatic and there is no allowances, which is great. Now, I can disconnect this wallet and connect any other number of wallets that I might have, or just simply type in another address. Now, I'm using the simpler ENS addresses, so I don't have to remember that giant long public key that's like 27 digits long. But you can also put in the public key, copy and paste that from your wallet. So it just takes a second here, and then it shows all these tokens that I have in this wallet. And once again, I can see no allowances. A couple of weeks ago, I found one with unlimited allowances, and not surprisingly, that token was taken not shortly thereafter. So it is something you should check at all times, and it's a really easy tool, and it's completely free. In fact, they ask you to donate a little bit like Wikipedia. So hopefully this will help you out, and feel free to type in any address in there. And you can also see, the blockchains are completely public, so you can put in any time and see what I hold in this particular wallet. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next week on Web3 Wednesday.